like and subscribe.
Be opening and playing with this Mickey Mouse Clubhouse cash register. So let's go ahead, open up the box and see what we get inside. Okay, so here is everything that comes in this playset. We get this super cool cash register with a picture of Mickey Mouse on it. Here is the scanner that we can pull out and scan. These buttons make sounds. This button turns the sound off, and this button turns the sound on. When we push the total button, the cash register opens.
Great choice! Hey there! It's me, Mickey Mouse. What Mouska tools do we need today? Say, little mouse can do it. Hot diggity dog! Great choice! Hey there! It's me, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse talks when we push this button. And this button also makes the same sound as these buttons do. We also get coins. We get 25 cents, 10 cents, and 5 cents. We also get some cash. We get a $20 bill, a $10 bill, a $5 bill, and a $1 bill. Now let's put our money inside the cash register. We also got the Mickey Mouse credit card. Here's a picture of Mickey Mouse. On here, we have pictures of some tools, but we didn't get any tools or anything to scan, so we'll be using some groceries that I opened up in the previous playset. This is a Minnie Mouse Botastic shopping basket filled with many groceries. So let's go ahead and scan. Chicken stock, milk, some more milk, more chicken stock. We'll be making soup, lots of soup, a croissant, one more croissant. Here we have 2 sardines. Whoopsie! We also got some fruit. Here's an apple. One more apple. A banana. A strawberry. One more apple. This one's green. One more strawberry. An orange. We can squeeze our own orange juice. And a couple of soda pops. Okay. This wheel here, when we turn it, we can change the price. So let's see, the total for this is going to be $9.99. Now let's pay with our Mickey Mouse credit card. We're gonna slide it here. Okay, now push total. And that's it. Our groceries are all paid for. Now let's go ahead and see everything we purchased today with this credit card. We got some fruit, some strawberries, we got some apples, orange, soda pops, banana, a couple of croissants, a couple of sardines, a couple of cartons of milk, a couple of cans of chicken stock, and that's it. Look at all the groceries we purchased today. Well, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.